Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yash Rawat, and in this channel we talk about React, JavaScript and other web development concepts. Okay, so this video is basically part of a small series which I'm starting on introduction to React series. Okay, so in this series I will be covering topics from basics to some intermediate advanced level, and the topics will be JSX, what a state is, what is even a component, and what a prop is, and some React hooks, the QState, use effect, and then advanced topics like Redux. And we'll be using that Chrome dev tool to see our store, and then we will be using like Axios, which is just like fetch, but it is pretty advanced and handy. So we will be covering these topics in this series. Yeah, so see you in the next one.